It's finally here. Central Houston Cadillac. We just got our first CT6-V, and it is absolutely gorgeous. For those of you that like big BMWs and big Audis, this car is going to change the game for you. Look at this thing. It's got quad exhaust. Of course, it's all-wheel drive for all that power to put to the ground. Gorgeous. Let me show you the front. Alright, let's go check out the inside. The inside's got carbon fiber accents on the door and of course on the dash. Steering wheel. It's a wicked looking steering wheel. Of course. All the way across. It's got dual pane, panoramic roofs. Big spacious back seat. Even has rear entertainment. Kind of tucked away here in the headrest. Nice spacious trunk. Great for luggage, golf bags, everything. And now here's my favorite part. Twin turbo, 4.2 liter. Just monster power. Got one. It's in the best color. I've got it sitting here at Central Houston Cadillac. Come see us today. I'll tell you all about it.